When my son goes back to school tonight, I asked him where he wanted to go to dinner, and he said, "Make me bacon, mac, and cheese." I almost cried, but instead I put a smile on my face. Bacon in the oven at 375. Shred the cheese. I got sharp cheddar and white American. Really creamy and great melter. How much cheese am I using? Plateful. I'm using Celatani noodles. Add whatever kind of noodles you like. Bacon's done. I'm going to chop it up. 4 tablespoons of butter. Whisk in a 1/3 cup of flour. Slowly add 1 cup of heavy cream and a cup of whole milk. Look like this. Add in these seasonings. Salt and pepper. Add in the plate of cheese. Fold it all in. Dump in the noodles. Mix it all up. Oh yeah, we're gonna add about a cup of Parmesan cheese too. Add in the bacon. 1 cup of panko, a few tablespoons of melted butter. We're gonna pour on top and mix it all together with a little more salt. Add the panko butter to the top. This is gonna form the crust. The oven, 350 for 25 minutes. Are you kidding me?